Good morning, everyone. I am Sheeba, Assistant Professor in Emmanuel J.J. College of Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about camps and followers. Let's move the topic. Meaning of camps. A camp is a rotating mechanical member used for transmitting desired motion to a follower by direct contact. Second point, the camp may be reciprocating, rotating or oscillating, whereas the follower may be reciprocating or oscillating. Cam is nothing but a machine part that rotates and transfers motion to another part called a follower by touching it directly. The cam can move in different ways like rotating, sliding, back and forth or swinging, while the follower usually moves back and forth or swings. If you look at this picture, you will understand what is cam. Next, classification of followers. First one is based on surface followers. There are 4 classifications based on surface followers. First one is knife edge follower. Second one is roller follower. Third one is flat faced follower. And fourth one is spherical faced follower. First one is knife edge follower. When contacting end of the follower has a sharp knife edge, it is called a knife edge follower. The knife edge follower is rarely used because of excessive wear due to small area of contact. Knife edge follower is nothing but this type of follower is rarely used because the contact area between the cams and follower is very small, which causes high pressure and leads to excessive wear. Just note in the picture, the sharp part is called a knife edge follower. Next one is roller follower. When contacting end of the roller is a follower is a roller, it is called a roller follower. In roller followers, the wear rate is considerably reduced because of rolling motion between contacting surfaces. Roller follower is nothing but it means in this type of follower, the roller rotates as it moves over the cam's surface. Because of this rolling action, sliding friction is reduced, which results in much less wear compared to a knife edge follower. If you look at the picture, you will see that the part that look like a roller, that it is look like a small wheel, it's a roller follower. Next one is flat faced follower. When contacting end of the follower is perfectly flat faced, it is called a flat faced follower. Second point, in this follower, the thrust at the bearing in less as compared to knife edge and roller follower. Flat faced follower is nothing but in this type of follower, the contact between the cam and the follower is larger because the load is spread over a wider area. The side thrust and pressure on the bearing are reduced compared to knife edge and roller follower. If you look at this picture, you will understand what is flat faced follower. Next one is spherical faced follower. When contacting end of the follower is of spherical shape, it is called a spherical faced follower. Second point, in order to minimize the surface stresses produced in flat faced follower, the flat end of follower is machined to a spherical shape. Spherical faced follower is nothing but this type of follower is used to reduce the surface stresses that occur in flat faced follows. By machining the flat end into a spherical shape, the contact becomes smoother, stress concentration is reduced, and wear between the cams and follower is minimized. If you look at the picture, you will see that the part that looked like a spherical, so it's like a spherical shape face the follower. We can discuss the remaining two types of upcoming classes. I hope everyone understands. Thank you.